Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. In this video, I want to give you a midnight nightly crypto market update. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I thought I would do that. So with all of that said, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I have one goal, and that's to keep you ahead of what's going on, keep you in the know so that you understand what's going on with all of the top cryptos, as well as some late minute additions to what's going on here in the United States with the crypto infrastructure deal. Did it pass? Did it not? We're going to talk about all that. And we're going to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the top guys and see what's going on with them. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Real quickly before we do that, if you're interested, links are in the description, comments below. My Patreon group, check it out. I have over there my inner circle where you get access to my portfolio, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm holding. You also get to direct message me, and I'll look at your portfolio, give you advice, give you guidance, all that kind of stuff. You can join and cancel at any time, by the way. Okay, so you can get out of the anytime you want. It's a month-to-month scenario. You get sorry about that. You get buy and sell trade alerts. You get a weekly Monday newsletter with hot crypto tips where I give you guidance on at least 5 hot cryptos for each week and kind of give you insight into what's looking good. And each level has access to the Discord, the private community, so check that out. Okay, so overall, here's where we're at. There was a last-minute deal basically reached in the crypto infrastructure deal. This is, for those of you guys who don't know what this is, there's a major bill here in the United States where they're trying to pass an infrastructure deal to basically it's $1.2 trillion worth of money to help infrastructure here in the United States, bridges, roads, things like that. There's probably a lot more to it than that. I haven't been paying attention to everything in it, but that's basically what it's supposed to do. And so they've been haggling over the fact that they're adding into that bill taxation here in the United States, taxing crypto profits. I've been saying all along, don't shoot the messenger. This was coming, okay? Guys, I'm a 30-year stock guy. They've been taxing stock profits forever. This was coming into the crypto world, and it's basically here, okay? So right here, U.S. senators have reached a last-minute compromise on cryptocurrency regulations as infrastructure bill vote looms. Coin miners and DigiCash researchers could be in the clear. Basically, what it's going to come down to is that exchanges, brokers are going to be required to report to the IRS profits, period. Okay, and it looks like I'm not sure what the number is. It could be if it's more than 10,000 or something like that. And you will be required in one way or the other to report those profits to the IRS. It's going to happen, guys. It is what it is. Again, don't dislike my video because I said that. Hey, don't drop in the comments, you hate me because I said that. I'm just telling you what the deal is. I'm just shooting straight with you. That's how I roll. I give you the good, I give you the bad, I keep you up to date, okay? I'm not the one who did this, all right? So, hey, look, they basically have reached a deal to where miners and engineers are exempt from these proposed regulations. So they're looking to raise $28 billion in taxing basically crypto profits. Brokers, people who manage the transactions that allow traders to buy, sell, or exchange cryptos, will have to collect the personal information of the payers and payees involved in the financial settlement. That data then can be reported to America's tax agency, the IRS. Period. Okay, that's basically where we're at. And the bill is not formally approved. It hasn't gone up for vote. I think it goes either like late into tonight and rolling into Tuesday morning, like it's almost like a midnight, like late into the night vote scenario like that. But effectively, this is a done deal, guys. It's going to happen, okay? Again, don't shoot the messenger. But I wanted to make you aware of this. This is out there. It is what they're calling it. They're calling it the crypto infrastructure tax bill, if you will. That's what people are kind of referring to it as. But hey, here's the thing. I was watching this and I was going, I wonder if this is going to have a direct negative impact on, what is going on with the overall crypto market. I was like, I wonder if it's going to hurt it. I didn't really know, and I thought, you know what? I was kind of when this information was coming out, I'm like, it's gonna start making Bitcoin go down because people are going to get scared, things like that. They're going to get scared. They're going to get scared. And they're going to start pulling out. That has not happened, guys. Bitcoin continues to rise. This news is pretty much out there. It's in the wild. People are aware of it, okay? And look at Bitcoin's continuing a nice continued rise. Now, we had a little bit of a pullback earlier today, but we've continued to roll up. Bitcoin 46,000. We're up over 45,000. Ethereum continuing to rise right along with it. Okay, beating it on the 7-day scenario, but on the 24-hour, right there, pretty much neck and neck. Okay, look at this. Dogecoin though, beating both of them. Look at that. I love that, man. Dogecoin. Don't get me wrong. I love Bitcoin, Ethereum. I own them. They're the bulk of my portfolio, but it's really cool to see Dogecoin doing its thing and outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin from a percentage gain in the last 7 days. Look at that guy right there. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, and it's just not, it's rolling nicely. Uniswap's covering it. Look at that. 29% over in the last 7 days. Let's see what the best 7-day gainer is. Yeah, it's Ravencoin. This is an interesting one, guys. You might want to check out Ravencoin. It's up 80% in the last 7 days, 33% in the last 24 hours. I believe it's the, let's see real quickly. It is the Ravencoin wins in the 24-hour column, and it wins in the 7-day column as far as percentage gains, okay? This is out of the top 100, by the way, okay? So Ravencoin top one, ICP is right there with it, Holo, Quantum, but you can write down here, Dogecoin's number 7 right there with it. It's doing really well. It continues just to kind of play out. Shiba Inu is still in the top, doing top 19+%, looking good there. Ethereum 22%. Things are looking good. All right, let's go back over here real quickly. So again, I fully expect Bitcoin to continue to rise and do its thing. I think that Bitcoin's headed towards 50,000. If we get over 50,000, guys, we are off and running. I think that's a real big emotional kind of barrier to people. And I think when you start to see Bitcoin rising over 50,000, Ethereum starting to hit maybe 3,500, I think we're off to the races. I think we're moving forward. I've always said this. I believe that September rolling into Q4 of 2021, the last quarter, October, November, December, that historically has been a very, very good time for the crypto market. And I think that that is going to, again, play out. And everybody pretty much readily agrees that. But right now we're getting it feels like we're getting kind of an early start to that. It almost feels like an early Christmas, if you will, right? We're definitely running faster, hotter than I kind of thought we would, which, hey, I'll call myself out on it, right? I didn't think we would get here yet. I thought we were going to be a little bit more into August, maybe like the last week or so of August, and it's August. I'm saying weird things tonight. The last week of August 9th, kind of then starting to really pick up from there. So we're about 11 days kind of or more ahead. It's nice to see these runs, though. It's nice to see Bitcoin do its thing, Ethereum do its thing. Cardano's got a nice run going, overall 7-day. XRP continues to do pretty well. Dogecoin I've already talked about. Polkadot's running up pretty nicely. Uniswap's killing it, 30+%. Let's see what else. Litecoin, 16%. Solana's up 18%. Everything's kind of looking really good. Even Ethereum Classic, guys, up 15+%. It's doing well. Polygon up 8%. Everything's kind of going really, really nicely. Now there's some that are not being lifted as much as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I think Ethereum again is rising on the whole. Moving from proof of work to proof of stake, Ethereum 2.0 scenario. I've got Ethereum videos here on my channel if you want a more in-depth analysis of Ethereum and why it's running up and all that kind of stuff. So definitely check that out, okay? But overall, I like what I'm seeing, and I think let's just continue to watch it, and I'll continue to bring you these market updates if you guys like it. As always, genuinely, I appreciate your support. I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.